Welcome back to the Kids Yogi Club, Yoga Series for Kids Volume 3. Join Maya, Hadi, Sara, and Hana for another episode filled with fun yoga adventures and learning sessions. Let's kick things off with some energizing warm-up exercises. We will start with high knee for 30 seconds, 20 leg lifts, run in place for 20 seconds, and 10 frog jumps. Great warm-up, guys! Now let's move on to our learning session. Today our friends will demonstrate some new yoga poses. Let's begin with Sara. Sara demonstrates the cat-cow pose, ideal for stretching and strengthening the spine. Hadi will demonstrate the butterfly pose, great for stretching hips and inner thighs. Hana demonstrates the bridge pose, perfect for opening the chest and shoulders. And Maya demonstrates the seated forward bend pose, a calming stretch for hamstrings and the mind. Well done, Maya, Hadi, Sara, and Hana. Now let's recap all the poses that we have learned today. The cat-cow pose, the butterfly pose, the bridge pose, the seated forward pose. Stay tuned for more yoga adventures and learning sessions in the next episode of Kids Yogi Club, Yoga Series for Kids. Keep watching. Goodbye.